And folks, the season's first tropical storm is now a tropical depression on the Pacific side. Their season starts on May 15th, but still, this is the earliest. Adrian, earliest named storm we've ever seen over there as far as records go back, which is just into the mid 60s, but still, we had a tropical storm for a while, now a depression expected to continue to deteriorate now over the next few hours and likely just bring some rain to the southern coast of Mexico. That's on the Pacific side. The Atlantic side very quiet, as you might expect. It's still early. Temperatures upper 70s, low 80s across the region, 79 in Port Isabel, 78 in Harlingen right now. Let's watch future tracks, see what it does with temperatures. And you'll notice overnight they go nowhere again. We've pretty much already bottomed out in most areas, and then tomorrow we're back in the 90s. Valley-wide, 99 in the west, 92 Harlingen. I say valley-wide, Brownsville will get close, and the island, of course, will be cooler. You move on into tomorrow night, Friday morning, we start again in the 70s. Friday afternoon again in the 90s, perhaps warmer than tomorrow by 3 or 4 degrees. And then Saturday, we start just a little cooler. Instead of mid-70s, we're in the low 70s, meaning the humidity's down just a little bit. And then Saturday afternoon's temperatures get closer to 90 rather than mid-90s. So there's a little bit of a cool down for Saturday, but not very much. We're going 93, 97, and then 92 for both days of the weekend. Then we start to warm back up as we go through next week. The average for this time of year is about 89 degrees. We've seen scattered showers, even some big-time thunderstorms across parts of Texas tonight. Of course, we're also watching those showers down to our south, some of them managing to sneak into Starr County. Might see a little bit of lightning out there. There's not much with it, but a little bit. And we've seen some severe thunderstorms, some over around Del Rio, some more stuff not far from Abilene. For tomorrow, there's a slight risk of severe weather in northeast Texas, a marginal risk, the bottom of the scale for south central Texas, and then a general risk for us, which means there could be an isolated thunder shower, but nothing severe. All of that big bad weather should stay well away from the valley. A front in the middle of the state will help to trigger those thunderstorms tomorrow. That kind of hangs out in Texas into Friday, but eventually pushes through here. But the air behind it is not much cooler. You saw those highs. We go from 97 to 92. The air will dry out a little bit less humid, but by Sunday and Monday, winds are already back out of the southeast. Humidity starting to come back in, and we start the warming trend again, and we're right back to hot and humid for the middle part of next week. Chance of rain here stays minimal, about 5%, then 10%, then dry, and then back to 5% again for Tuesday of next week. So tonight, your low should be around 76, plenty of clouds. Warm, humid. Tomorrow, back up to 93. Some clouds early, then some afternoon sunshine. A very warm day. 97 on Friday, even warmer, and then I'm not going to say cool it off, but we get it back closer to normal. Mother's Day high of 92, and then next week, 90s for highs and mid-70s for lows. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.